Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys if you're facing this kind of problem when you open or export data from anything, and then the CSV file, when you open it, it only contain on the one column like this. No need to worry. The thing is, because maybe your local administrative or symbol is different from the original file. So what you have to do, I'm using WPS here, but if you are using Excel, it's supposed to be similar method. It's really easy. What you have to do, you go to this data, and then you find this text to column option. You just click text to column, and then you just click next, and then make sure you check this comma, and then click finish. Wait for a while. Now the table already separated into different columns. On each columns this separated by comma. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.